back. What's going on? I've been up this trail, never been down it. No. Get a little start. Oh, start time. Oh, I literally earlier this morning I fell off the edge of the trail, dude. It took me. Took me like 40 minutes to get the bike turned around. I ended up having to go through something like this, true, straight down. I fell off and I couldn't get the bike up by myself, dude. Earlier, it was like way on the other side. So that burnt me out, man. I had to sit there for like another 40 minutes. Catch my breath, you know. Recently turned 38, December 22nd. You can feel it, man. Feel the age in the joints. Stuff. In the mind, woo! I still feel like I'm like 20 or, you know what I mean? A kid, man. I get excited about all that stuff still. Got that energy. I mean, everything's gravy. Gotta take it easy because I know there's guys on side-by-sides that come through here. There's quite a bit of people here. Dude, bike's feeling cherry, dude. I love it when it's like, you know, dirt's like this. So tacky and stuff, and then the suspension is like plush. Everything feels well gripped up. Look at that, we can stop right here like nothing. This stuff is growing back in pretty good. You got grass already right here. What are these called? Manzanita bushes, I think, or something like that. It's all gravy, baby. See, we're gonna have to go down. I don't want to trust bump starting and hitting that hill, so we're gonna give her a kick right here. So gone right now from trying to drag the bike down the hill. I could barely hold them up. Nuts. It takes time. I gotta get a handicap sign, man. Ooh, we got stabbed in the goggle right there. Jerked my head to the inside. Could have probably kept going, but I was trying to go back to this trail for some reason. Up it. keep driving up the side of the rut, dude. Like, tough one. Oh, my legs are shot. I'm holding them up like. Whew. Alright, guys, good for this video. Smash that like button. Subscribe, share the video. We out. Peace.